Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Belinda and today we're going to be doing a flip through and speed colouring from Tombstone Darlingz. Let's have a look. Hi guys, so I have a PDF version of Tombstone Darlingz colouring book by Valentin. It's such a cute little book and I can't wait to share it with you. This is the PDF version. The watermark that's over the top of that isn't actually in the PDF version of the book. I just put that on there just for copyright reasons so that you guys know that the images are copyrighted. So this one's actually really interesting. It's not in the Lacy Sunshine group of colouring books. It's something a little bit different called Tombstone Darlingz with a Z. It's really cute. There's lots of little cute and creepy images in here and I think that you guys would really enjoy this one. Great Halloween book to have to colour up those little Halloween images that sort of come round around this time of the year, so let me know what you think. So I'm going to be doing a speed colouring at the end of this flip through called Lisha's Skull Tree. I really enjoyed doing this one. If you would like to see the full tutorial of the speed colouring, I will be making that available to patrons, also with a colour conversion chart because I've used markers for this one and I've converted them to pencil. It's going to be available, as I said, to patrons. The links are in the description below, so check that out. And I'll also put the links for the book and the Amazon version of it as well in the description below. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Pop a comment in the comments below, tell me which one's your favourite. Also to subscribe if you haven't already and click the little bell to get notifications when I upload new videos. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Vero, all of those. I would love to hear from you at some stage. Thanks guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Enjoy!